Pregnancy is a journey filled with unique moments and milestones. One creative way to capture the memory of your growing belly is through belly casting. This form of art allows you to create a three-dimensional keepsake of your pregnant form. It's a simple, fun activity that you can do right at home. Let's dive into how you can make your own pregnancy belly cast. Before we begin, you'll need to gather a few materials. You'll need a roll of plaster cloth, which can be found at most craft stores. You'll also need a pair of scissors, Vaseline or a similar lubricant, a drop cloth or old newspapers to protect your floor, a bowl of warm water, and some plastic wrap. Optionally, you might want gloves to keep your hands clean and decorations for the final product. First, prepare your space by laying down the drop cloth or newspapers. Next, cut the plaster cloth into strips. You'll want a variety of lengths for different areas of your belly. Apply a generous layer of Vaseline over your belly to protect your skin and make the cast easier to remove. Now dip a strip of plaster cloth into the warm water, squeeze out the excess, and apply it to your belly. Overlap the strips and smooth them out as you go to avoid air bubbles. Continue until your belly is covered to your desired thickness, usually about 3 to 4 layers. Allow the cast to set for about 30 minutes, then gently remove it. Let it dry for 24 to 48 hours in a safe place. Once your belly cast is dry, it's time to get creative. You can paint it, add decorative elements like beads or fabric, or even leave it as is for a minimalist look. To preserve your belly cast, apply a sealant like Mod Podge to protect it from moisture and dust. This will help keep your belly cast in good condition for years to come. Creating a pregnancy belly cast is a beautiful way to commemorate the incredible experience of carrying your child. It's a DIY project that not only captures a moment in time, but also allows for personal expression. Cherish this special keepsake and the memories it represents for a lifetime.